Hello. Some carpet deep cleaning shenanigans in 3, 2, 1. That Roombas are best overall for deep cleaning carpets, mainly published by Vacuum Wars, is somewhat a myth and misleading and heavily biased by the chosen testing method that can heavily favor robots. The used debris, the used carpet, and the overall test setup are heavily influencing the results. To get one thing out of the way, I am still using for Roomba S9 in addition to my daily cleaning setup, and all robots are bought with my own money, no sponsoring or anything else. No marketing BS. So we start with 5 grams of certified test dust that is embedded in my fluffy pile carpet. The Roomba S9, the Combo J9, the Roomba 980 and a Roborock S8 maxv Ultra have to stand their ground against the embedded dust. The robots are running with the maximum power setting available and are doing 7 cleaning runs in single pass mode. I scaled the bins after each cleaning run for all robots except for the Roomba 980, since I was only interested in how this older generation performed with the test dust removal after a simulated weekly cleaning cycle. First, we compare the Roomba S9 against the Combo J9, and as we can see, the older S9 is outperforming the Combo J9. A possible reason for this is the restriction of airflow of the J9 due to the carpet pile I discussed in an earlier released video. You can find the video link in the description. Comparing these results to the one of the S8 maxv Ultra, we can see that the Roombas are heavily outperforming the Roborock contender. The Roomba 980 performs at the same level like the Combo J9 is doing with the certified test dust, so vacuum-wise the latest generation does not improve the cleaning performance, at least with this type of carpet, but as stated, all are outperforming the Roborock S8 maxv Ultra by a huge margin. Let's add some other robots into the mix, and I found it interesting to see how the very first vacuum robot is performing in this test, the Electrolux Trilobite. I gave the unit 1 cleaning run with about 7 passes over the cleaning area, but I still have to figure out how to properly set up the timer function of the robot, since it is not that smart like current generation robots offering no room-specific cleaning or passes settings. Even with this run where it more or less cleans every part of the polluted area one time, it outperforms even the Roomba S9 by 0.5 grams. Its successor, the latest vacuum robot you can buy from Electrolux, the iPure 9.2, or AEG branded, the RX 9.2, performs even better. It was able to remove all of the 5 grams of embedded test dust with only 3 cleaning runs in max mode. So we saw there are much better performing robots out there sucking up test dust from this type of carpet, and I only showed 2 of them, but what if we do the same with deeply embedded bird sand? I embedded 100 grams of bird sand into the carpet and gave the Roomba S9 7 runs in double pass mode to see how it performs. The S9 was able to remove 52.1% of the embedded bird sand. Keep in mind that dirt detect triggered one time at the bottom of the carpet where more bird sand was present due to the way I embedded the sand. Then I added the Dyson Vis Nav in the competition. A robot Vacuum Wars also tested with its deep cleaning carpet test, and again the AEG RX 9.2 to perform the same test. The Dyson Vis Nav was running in auto mode and I gave it in total 14 cleaning runs. Since the robot does not offer cross-pattern cleaning, I also measured the extracted sand after 7 cleaning runs to have a better comparison against the S9. The AEG RX 9.2 cleaned only 6 runs since its battery ran out, but as we can see it still outperforms even the Dyson Vis Nav. And both of them are heavily outperforming the Roomba S9. To showcase how extremely well the AEG RX 9.2 is performing with this type of carpet, I let the robot vacuuming the leftovers of the shown Roomba S9 run, and the robot was able to vacuuming additional 18.1 grams after 4 cleaning runs, and even more not shown on camera after 7 cleaning runs, where the total result was additional 35.1 gram, what is absolute insane given the fact that the sand was even more embedded by the Roomba S9 cleaning passes. The problem with the testing method Vacuum Wars has chosen that is biased to iRobot Roomba is a combination of mainly how the sand is embedded and the short runtime of just 5 minutes for the measurement. As we can see, the sand is more surface attached than really embedded into the carpet. This in combination with the short testing time of just 5 minutes is giving the Roomba with its multipass dirt detect technology an edge over other robots, since Roomba do more cleaning passes in the short amount of time. But this does not mirror everyday carpet cleaning, it mirrors more a heavy pollution fast pickup test. To simulate a long-term cleaning, I use at least 7 cleaning runs. Also, according to my own testing, short dense carpet is a favorite one for the aggressive roller style of iRobot Roomba. Long story short, you cannot judge from testing only one carpet about the overall carpet deep cleaning performance of a robot with a short test time setup. I have already done some tests with the certified test dust and different types of carpet that I will pin with a comment backing up my point, but I am planning to do a new test series with a bit more test dust, some bird sand, and maybe some fibers with at least 3 types of carpets. I want to test all current models against each other and their predecessors. To do so I need your help, so if you like the stuff I am doing, please consider a subscription and maybe support me with a thanks or the PayPal link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.